Available on select Genesis models, Genesis Pay allows you to pay for fuel at participating gas stations directly through your infotainment touchscreen. To set up Genesis Pay, you must have an active Genesis Connected Services account. Be sure to watch our Genesis Pay setup video to learn more about registering with GCS and Genesis Pay. There are a variety of methods to access in-car payment for refueling. First, from the home screen, swipe or use the center controller to select Genesis Pay on the infotainment screen. From here, you can switch between searching for Genesis Pay compatible gas stations or parking areas. Ensure you are searching for gas stations, and a list will appear with the closest Genesis Pay compatible stations, as well as their fuel prices. Select which station you'd like. If you are not currently at the gas station location, select Route to set it as your destination. Alternatively, you could use the in-car navigation system to look up nearby gas stations or add one as an extra stop along your route. Begin by pressing the Nav button, and then find a nearby point of interest gas station. Ensure that this box on the upper menu bar is selected so that only Genesis Pay compatible gas stations are shown on the list. Select the gas station you'd like, and then set it as your destination. After following the in-car navigation directions, once you arrive, the infotainment screen will automatically display a message asking if you'd like to use Genesis Pay for fueling. Once parked at a pump, select Yes. Next, select your desired payment method. Enter your pump number, and then select Pay. Enter your PIN, and then begin fueling within a few minutes to activate the fueling session. Once you are finished fueling, Genesis Pay will automatically charge the card on file and display a confirmation message on the infotainment screen. Note that the confirmation message is dependent on signal strength and coverage and may take a few minutes to appear. To view your Genesis Pay history, open your Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app and select Utilities, and then Genesis Pay. Scroll down to the bottom where you will find payment history records. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.